The world of fitness wearables is abuzz with anticipation for the Garmin Forerunner 975. As the successor to the acclaimed Forerunner 965, this upcoming model promises to redefine the standards for running watches. Let's delve into the expected features, release timelines, and how it stacks up against its predecessors. Anticipated release date. Garmin has a history of releasing new Forerunner models every 1 to 2 years. The Forerunner 955 debuted in June 2022, followed by the 965 in March 2023. Based on this pattern, industry insiders speculate that the Forerunner 975 might launch between March and June 2025. Advanced GPS tracking. Garmin has always been known for its superior GPS accuracy, and with the Forerunner 975, they are raising the bar even higher. The Forerunner 975 is expected to feature dual-frequency GPS, which combines both L1 and L5 signals. This allows for enhanced satellite connectivity and more accurate positioning in areas where traditional GPS struggles, like dense forests, urban canyons, and tall buildings. Enhanced accuracy tracks routes with precision, even in challenging environments. Faster satellite acquisition reduces the time it takes for the watch to connect to GPS satellites, improving readiness for outdoor activities. ECG heart monitoring, electrocardiogram. A major upgrade expected in the Forerunner 975 is the inclusion of ECG heart monitoring. This feature is anticipated to monitor your heart's electrical activity in real time, identifying irregularities such as atrial fibrillation, AFib. This would be an invaluable addition for athletes seeking to keep a close eye on their heart health during intense workouts or endurance activities. Heart health monitoring helps detect irregular heart rhythms early, providing a more comprehensive look at cardiovascular health. Real-time alerts, immediate notifications for any heart issues, allowing for faster intervention if necessary. Solar charging capabilities. One of the standout features of the Forerunner 975 is its integration of solar charging. Garmin has perfected solar charging with its Phoenix and Instinct series, and it's expected to be a game-changer for the Forerunner 975 as well. With solar charging capabilities, users will be able to extend battery life significantly, especially during outdoor activities like hiking, running, or biking. Extended battery life. Charge the watch using solar power, reducing the need for frequent plug-in charging. Eco-friendly, a more sustainable option for athletes who want to reduce their carbon footprint. Enhanced AMOLED display. Garmin's AMOLED display on the Forerunner 965 was already a hit due to its vibrant colors and deep blacks. With the Forerunner 975, it's expected that the display will get a resolution upgrade, making it even sharper and more vibrant. Additionally, this watch is likely to feature an always-on display for quick glanceable stats, even when on the move. Improved visibility, perfect for bright outdoor conditions, making it easy to read your data even in direct sunlight. Battery efficiency. AMOLED technology helps conserve battery life while maintaining crisp visuals. LTE connectivity. One of the most exciting rumored features is LTE connectivity, allowing the Forerunner 975 to function independently of a smartphone. This feature is expected to be similar to the Garmin Forerunner 945 LTE, which allowed for live tracking, real-time notifications, and the ability to stream music without needing a phone nearby. Phone-free connectivity. Stream music, make phone calls, and receive notifications without carrying your smartphone. Safety and tracking. LTE connectivity ensures your loved ones can track your location during outdoor activities, improving safety during long runs or remote hikes. 6. Wireless charging. Along with solar charging, the Forerunner 975 is also expected to feature Qi wireless charging, which will offer convenience when charging the watch. No more fumbling with cables or worrying about damaged charging ports. Users will be able to place the watch on a wireless charging pad to power up. Convenience. Simply place the watch on a charging pad, and it will charge wirelessly. Less wear and tear. Reduces the physical wear on charging ports, enhancing the longevity of the device. Built-in flashlight for safety. Another exciting feature that could be included in the Forerunner 975 is a built-in LED flashlight. This feature has already been integrated into Garmin's other series, like the Fenix 7 Pro and Instinct 2. With this addition, the Forerunner 975 will become a more versatile companion, offering enhanced safety during nighttime or low-light conditions. Improved visibility, essential for outdoor activities in the dark, such as running or hiking. Dual functionality, a convenient feature for both workouts and general safety. Advanced sleep tracking and recovery metrics. The Forerunner 975 will likely continue Garmin's legacy of providing advanced sleep tracking and recovery metrics. This means that athletes can track not only their workouts, but also how well their bodies are recovering. Garmin sleep tracking can provide insights into sleep stages, heart rate variability, and other metrics that are crucial for understanding overall fitness and recovery. Multi-sport modes and advanced performance metrics. As with previous models, the Forerunner 975 will cater to multi-sport athletes with a variety of built-in sport modes. Whether you're a runner, cyclist, swimmer, or triathlete, the Forerunner 975 will track all your activities with precision. It's expected to provide advanced metrics for each sport, including running dynamics, cycling power, and swim stroke count. Customization and advanced data fields. The Forerunner 975 is expected to feature advanced customization options, allowing athletes to tailor their data fields and watch faces for the most relevant information during their workouts. Garmin's customizable watch faces are a fan favorite, and this feature is expected to be enhanced in the 975. Personalized experience. Customize your watch with the data fields that matter most to you, whether it's pace, heart rate, or power. Adaptability. Perfect for athletes who want to see specific metrics on their screen during various workouts. Long battery life for ultra running and multi-day adventures. One of the core features of the Forerunner 975 is its battery life. With ultra-long battery life expected to last for days in GPS mode, this watch will be perfect for ultra runners, hikers, and endurance athletes. Garmin has optimized battery consumption with solar charging and advanced power management features, ensuring the Forerunner 975 can keep up with the most demanding activities. Conclusion: is the Garmin Forerunner 975 the ultimate fitness watch of 2025? The Garmin Forerunner 975 is shaping up to be a true game-changer in the world of fitness wearables. With advanced GPS, ECG heart monitoring, solar charging, wireless charging, and more, this watch has the potential to cater to a wide range of athletes, from casual runners to ultra-endurance athletes. The multi-sport capabilities, safety features, and battery life further enhance its appeal, making it the ultimate choice for anyone serious about their fitness journey. Whether you're a triathlete looking for a watch that can track every aspect of your performance, or simply someone who enjoys tracking their runs, the Forerunner 975 is a top contender for the title of the best fitness watch of 2025.